Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and opening Google Authenticator. This is the first actionable step. Make sure your phone is unlocked and the app has necessary permissions, because without them, the tag won't read. Once done, sign into the account you plan to link and navigate to its two-factor setup page so you can choose NFC or security key. This moves you from prep into the pairing flow. You're now ready to write or tap the NFC token to the authenticator. Now you execute the complex middle steps. If your account provides a QR code, use Authenticator's scan option. Otherwise, choose the security key path that supports NFC. If you need to write an NFC tag, open a trusted NFC Writer app and save the account's URI or key to the tag. This creates a transferable token. Then position the tag against your phone's NFC antenna and hold steady until Authenticator detects it. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts to confirm key registration. Finish by verifying the new entry in Google Authenticator and generating a one-time code to test sign-in. You want confirmation that the account accepts codes. Once verified, label the token in the app for future clarity and store the physical tag safely. If the code fails, make sure the phone's NFC is active, the tag was written with the correct URI, and Authenticator has permission to run. If needed, rewrite the tag or redo the security key setup to resolve registration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.